Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we need to convert this drawing from Solidworks to a format that can be used in AutoCAD with all features and measurements kept the same. Go to Save As. Change format to Solidworks file and save. Open AutoCAD software. Change workspace from drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. Change view to front view. Then go to Inserts. On drop-down menu, click Import. Look for Solidworks file on where you saved and open. Your import job is in progress in the background. Check here when the import file is complete. Click on the blue link. The drawing is imported successfully. Now change to Realistic View. Southeast Isometric. Here is your drawing imported successfully from Solidworks to AutoCAD. Now, let's compare the two, AutoCAD and Solidworks drawings. All features have been imported. The only thing that we lack here are the dimensions of the parts. This front view in AutoCAD. This is the front view in Solidworks. This is the right view in AutoCAD. And this right view in Solidworks. This is top view in AutoCAD. Top view in Solidworks. Now isometric view in Solidworks is the same as Southeast in AutoCAD. We are now supposed to scale the drawing in AutoCAD to have the same measurements as the drawing in Solidworks. So this length is 10 millimeters. For us to scale, you need to change the view in AutoCAD to front view. Type scale in the command line and enter. Select the imported drawing, enter. Specify the base point here. Click on a reference. Click the first point and second point on the drawing to act as the reference length. This distance is 10 millimeters. Type 10 millimeters, enter, and everything is done. Now, we can compare our measurements. Go to Annotation, Linear Dimensions. Then dimension this length and it's 10 millimeters. We can dimension another distance to verify. This is 105 millimeters. The top is 70 millimeters. Now let's compare it in Solidworks. The length is 10 millimeters. Change the view to front view. Now, go to Evaluate. Measure. Upper length is 70 millimeters. The vertical length is 105 millimeters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.